Hi, Wendy.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good. Hi, Cheryl.
Hi. How's it going?
Good.
Good.
Kind of. I'm sick. I knew
Oh
I was
no.
getting sick at the first of the week, but
Uh-oh.
I have strep, so that's no fun.
No, and it's hard to think too. I was sick last week for Thanksgiving
Oh no.
time. So yeah, it's hard to get your brain working when you're not feeling well.
I
So
know.
sorry.
Right. Did anybody have any questions?
No.
I didn't either.
On the homework part, I had one of the first scatter plot that we were supposed to do.
Uh-huh.
Mine didn't look the same as on the answers. It
I
was the scatter plot for the body measurements. It was number 5 in the homework.
yeah. Mine looked different too, but I think the one that they had in the homework was from that SPSS or something. So I don't know if that made a difference. I don't know.
Okay, because my numbers matched up. They were right.
Yeah, mine too.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think also on the picture that they showed, where the X and Y axis meet, it doesn't always start at 0. Mine look different too. And so I think like their bottom numbers were more like zoomed in. So it
Oh,
wasn't like
Oh,
0
gotcha.
to 100. It was more like 60 to 100. So it
yeah.
may
Mine
be,
just looked like all a big clump. Really, they were
Yeah,
kind of really clumped.
yeah,
Okay. Okay.
just like
yeah.
a big ball of information there.
Yeah, that's okay. All right. So that was the only thing I had a question on.
Okay.
My kids had fun watching that crocodile video last night.
Yeah.
Like, I swear, this is my homework, really. Like, we want to watch, we want to watch the guy get bit by a crocodile. Oh, anyway. So at number 3 with this formula, are you guys there?
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm trying to open everything, but
Oh, okay.
I got home late, so I didn't do any of this yet.
Okay.
Excel's really slow today. I don't know what's going on.
Hmm.
Okay, I think, let's see where I am. I don't know what's going on. My Excel won't open.
Uh-oh.
Like just regular Excel.
Yeah. Here it goes. All open. They got about 10 windows open now. But it's still not responding. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, here we are. All right, I'm ready.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
No, that's okay.
All right, so number 3. Oh, so it's 2.0.
Yeah.
Okay. The slope's 1.5.
So did you get just 1 or 1.0 for y when x is 16?
I got 1.
1. Okay.
Wait, what?
Plug in 16 in that formula. Plug in 16 and times it by 0.25.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then you have to subtract 3.
Okay,
So 16 times 0.25 is 4.
gotcha.
So
Yeah. Okay. I'm not playing with a full deck today.
that's
Okay.
So for number 6, I said
I'm
hot
trying
dog.
to figure out. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out if it's enough to say it's banana because of the little outlier there. This is where it's hard. I mean, it mostly looks like a hot dog, but there is a little curve up there on the left. So
Yeah,
I know. I don't know.
I'm still plugging mine in.
Okay.
I would say a hot dog because I think I remember the picture that they showed us, and I mean it was a pretty, like you could tell that there was a curve.
There was more of a curve for the upper part on the banana.
That's what
Okay.
I would say, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Like you said, you hate the open to interpretation parts.
Yeah. I'm hoping that if they wanted us to say banana, they would make it more obvious.
Yeah, I would agree. Yeah.
I'm gonna say hot dog.
Okay. Okay.
I don't remember this part. Oh, hold on.
Yeah, the only one that is appropriate is the hot dog. The other ones are not appropriate for the simple linear regression.
Right. So it's appropriate
Yes.
for this data.
Yeah. The other two are not appropriate. So
When they ask how many observations, is that like how many
How many?
people?
I think so.
There's 139.
I've got 138 because the data starts at 4
and ends at 142.
Yeah, so
Okay, yeah. I just had gone to the other Excel sheet, but yeah.
let's see. The other one in there, it said it goes to 140, but it starts at 2. But is that what we're looking for? Is that what we're looking for? Is how many?
I don't know.
Oh,
I think it is.
okay.
See, I don't like when they ask us questions
That we've never seen before.
that we haven't like applied to this
Right.
yet, and I'm like, well, I don't know.
Well, I mean, and it seems so simple that I don't want to be overlooking something.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
yeah. I guess so. So the y-intercept is 18.690.
That's what's on my chart. Yeah.
Wait, let me look at. Am I doing the right thing? Where am I?
It shows it to you right under the unstandardized coefficients,
Yeah, I don't have that.
right
What?
under B.
Did I do it wrong?
Did you go to the linear regression tab?
Yes.
Did you put the score in the y variable and the confidence in the x variable?
No. I did them opposite.
Okay.
No wonder it's weird.
It said that in the problem to make sure you put do the confidence data
Yeah.
first. Okay.
So for question 10, the slope is 12.695.
12.695.
I seriously think there's something going wrong with my thing.
Uh-oh.
Like, I still have the exact same answer, and I switched my things around.
Oh. What answer are you getting?
Not my y-intercept is like 1.296.
Huh.
Hold
And
on.
that's what you got
What
the
Never mind.
yeah,
Hold on.
what's your okay.
Okay, it's working.
Okay.
Okay.
you have to like click out of a box or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I do that too. I'm like,
So 18.690.
yeah.
Yeah.
Slope is 12.695.
695. Yep.
Aren't you glad I'm not sick all the time?
And then for the next one, we have to enter 4 into the predicted area.
Under the X, yeah.
And I got 69.469.
Yep. Okay, for the next one, I see a confidence rating of 6. So do we enter the 6 into that X to get the predicted? For number 12?
Yeah. So
that hint.
We're predicting again, right?
Yes.
So we just enter in 6 where we just had that 4, right?
Yeah, I got 94.859. I think that's what.
Yeah, I'm assuming so. That's kind of a weird way to ask it.
Just use the largest X value.
94.859.
I think I remember saying there can only be one explanatory variable for the simple linear regression.
Yeah. I would assume so, because I mean we have one X and one Y.
Yeah,
the very end of the chapter they were talking about multiple and stuff, but that wouldn't be simple. Simple is only one.
Yeah, because they're saying you would have to go talk to a different statistician.
Yeah, hire a statistician.
Yeah.
Don't excuse me.
Okay.
Tell us what we need to know, not what we might need to know. So it's 1 on the next 2, right?
I would assume.
I think that's what they're saying. The meaning of simple is the 1.
So the response,
That's got to be the hat size because that's what they're predicting.
yeah.
Response.
Yeah, the site.
Oh,
So it's the size of hat because it is the variable being predicted.
predicted.
Yeah.
It is the.
We missed one.
Yeah.
Ah,
Which
The
one?
observations. How many
oh,
observations are in the data?
do we have to multiply it by 2? Because they're giving their confidence data and they're giving their score. So does that mean we double it?
But
And that's just totally a guess? Okay.
I have no idea. I do not.
Either. I don't remember this at all.
Okay, so when I highlighted all of the cells, the count was 139. When I highlighted from top to bottom, the count says 139. So maybe,
Maybe we're off one
yeah, off by one.
because you count 4.
Yeah, you would count that.
Minus, yeah.
That's the only thing I can think of.
Sorry.
I don't know what else.
I figured it out too. So. Rusty, no. Rusty, no.
Okay. You're right. It's 139.
Sorry about that. So that fixed it?
Yep. Got them all right.
Okay. Okay. Do we want to talk about the collect the data for a little bit?
Yes. Yeah. I had trail mix for lunch today.
Okay, I got mine all counted up.
Okay. Okay, so the way we each need to do the first part and of the collect the data, and then I am the only one that turns in the describe the data. Is that correct?
I don't know. I haven't looked at it.
Okay.
So
It's in lesson 21, isn't it?
Yes.
oh, interesting. I guess I never even I just assumed that we all did that. But
Yeah.
Well, when I was looking at, if you go to this week 12 and go to the overview, it says that this part is due by due date 2.
Uh-huh.
And today is due date 2.
oh, interesting. See,
Okay.
I thought date 2 was always on Saturday, but
But that due date 1 is on Tuesday, because when we take our first quiz is due date 1. Due date 2 is today, and then due date 3 is Saturday. You check the overview, that calendar,
okay, yeah.
because I'm pretty sure this is due by 9 o'clock tonight, or by 11 tonight.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So
Okay.
do we want to
But now I don't know if that means we each, I mean, if we do it for the data, if we only do our part, like of what we
see, that's
counted.
what I was
That's what I don't get.
That's what I was wondering. Complete research question.
I think it's only the individual. For the collect the data, the way I'm seeing it, it's what you have done.
Yeah.
It says that,
You had not anticipated. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Who wants to be our first? Because I have my ANOVA up, or ANOVA.
Okay.
Or whatever.
Oh, okay.
Who wants to tell me their numbers first?
Well, do you want me to do this part? Because I think it's,
Sure, if you want to do that, that's fine. I
just thought that this was my, like, aren't I the one that does it?
Sure.
I thought we all had to do this one. We don't?
I think,
I meant for describe the data.
yeah, so for our last question 3 of collect the data, it says attach the data you collected. These include labels and an explanation needed so that is clear what your data represents. But yeah, I mean, if you want to record the information, Cheryl, you can do that, or I can share it on Google Docs, whatever, for everyone to see.
Okay. I don't know. I'm kind of confused. I'm not sure how to. What you were wanting to do is assign
Just
who
so.
is variable, right?
Oh yeah, it doesn't matter. I was just.
Okay.
I don't think it matters who goes which variables first or whatever.
Okay, I can read you mine. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 34, 38, 45, 42, 38, 40, 35, 50, 46, 46.
Awesome. Wow, I'm surprised how much mine is.
Mine was more too. I was really surprised too when I was counting them.
I know. I was like, "There's that much chocolate in these."
Okay, so we'll put Wendy as number 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want mine?
Sure.
65, 48, 74, 53, 61, 59, 51, 53, 62, 49.
Okay.
Yeah, mine is wimpy.
Mine was the same. Mine's like in 30s and 40s. I mean,
Yeah.
Okay.
okay.
You want to read off yours, Lauren?
Oh, sure. 34, 35, 33, 40, 40, 43, 43, 56, 40, and 29.
Okay.
So I'm going to try and share this to, I'll try and share this to Google Docs, right? Or Google Sheets or what, I don't know. So everyone can see it, unless you guys don't really care, but that way we can have it later, I guess.
Yes.
Just see it.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm trying to figure out the easiest way to do this. So I'm going to do a snip tool, so that way it's just kind of like a picture. We don't have to change anything, do we? I forgot.
I don't think so.
That way it's just easier.
So when what we are turning in individually is just the data we collected?
Yes.
So you just kind of write a little.
No, what, how would you it says include labels. Wouldn't we just say that these are the number, this is the amount that we observed and give the counts?
I would think so.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so hold on, I gotta add your. Share. Okay. Okay, I shared it to your Google. Oh.
Okay.
So yeah, that's kind of like an overview, I guess.
Hey, what was that rule about the variance?
The lowest can't be more than 4 times.
The largest can't.
Yeah, more than 4 times.
Okay, so we're good.
Yeah. And then we have 30 samples.
Okay. So the next thing is we do our chart, right? And that's the one I'm doing.
Sorry, what?
The next step is to like show or like do a chart or a pie chart or something, isn't it?
Make inference.
Yeah.
Step 4.
Mm-hmm.
I can't remember what's the make inference again.
Isn't that the describe it in like a chart or something?
Yeah.
I think.
Okay, for some reason it's not opening on my, okay, hang on, maybe. Yes. Okay, yep. I have it now. Okay. Yep, I got it. Thank you. But this, okay, I'm thinking that this is what goes in for the making the inferences, right? We don't want to submit this part for describing the data. Am I correct?
Sorry, I need to read some stuff.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that what, doing the chart like this would be what
This is
Wendy next week, but because it's saying describing the data.
Yeah, if you look it says on number 5, do you see the numbered area on describe the data underneath? It says
Yeah, for your document should include
helpful graphs of your data.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Huh.
Are you guys just on the final overview? Is that what document you're looking at right now?
Yeah, the final project, and then collect. It says collect the data and describe the data.
Yeah. So if you scroll all the way to the end,
Yeah.
number 5 says well labeled and helpful graphs of your data.
Yeah.
Okay, but I thought I had read. It says. Okay, here, the last paragraph, it says, please remember the difference between inferential statistics and descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics should not include the confidence intervals and the test statistics and the degrees of freedom. And so isn't that what all this chart is?
Yeah, this chart's for next time, I think.
Well,
so should we?
I don't know. It says to have a chart. It wants descriptive statistics, like the mean, probably for variable 1, where we have the mean and the standard deviation.
Yeah, I can do that right now. So we want the descriptive statistics. So do I need to just enter in all of our, all of our numbers into the
one, just the
histogram and descriptive stats. It's the quantitative descriptive stats Excel sheet.
Oh, let me look. I don't have that one up. Let me look at it.
So I'm going to do it, and then I'll share that with you.
I can do that. Let's see. I have all the numbers, so I could do that. But then I'm not sure how to add it to the Google Docs.
So here.
You have to walk me through how to include it in.
I don't know how to do that either.
I just did it, so I'll just share it with you. Hold on.
Oh, that was quick.
Yeah, I just have everything like up all the time.
So you put in, how did you make the difference between like whose is whose then? Or did you just put all 30 samples?
I just put all of the data in it. Yeah. I just put all of the data.
But don't we need to have a mean and a standard deviation of variance for each variable?
Yeah.
You're not getting.
So wouldn't that be the descriptive on this?
Yeah.
So are we needing to do everybody's separate?
No, I think we have it on that first chart you did.
It shows it on there.
Yeah, so on the first chart, so if you have that first chart, you'll have everybody's mean.
Yeah.
Or whatever. And then this next chart I will send has like everything all together. Does that make sense?
I think we just.
I don't think we would need
is the only thing we don't really need to include this time. So that second box.
Right.
For next time. I think for describing the data, I think we just need that top box where it lists the 3 variables and then the means and standard deviations.
Yeah.
Because that's descriptive statistics.
Yeah. But then I'm not getting what kind of a graph that we would need here.
I don't remember if there is one for ANOVA. Is there?
There's a histogram
Histogram?
and then a QQ plot to see if it's relatively whatever.
So
we could
instead of adding, we couldn't do all 3 to 1 though. We would need to do 3 different ones, right? We can't add them all into one thing because we're doing the differences. So
yeah. So yeah, I guess then we would have to do
make a histogram.
So you would have to make a histogram for each and then a QQ plot for each. Is that what you're saying?
I'm thinking so.
So
We can't group them into one. Let's see.
Okay, in my notes under ANOVA for the descriptive statistics to use with data, it says the sample size, the sample mean, the standard deviation from each sample. And then
Okay.
graphical, we do a histogram or a box plot from all groups.
All 3 groups. Okay. Okay.
So all together, or all like, from all 3 groups. So that means all of our stuff is separate.
Yeah, it has to be separated. They each have to, they would each need to have one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want me to, how about each of us makes a histogram of our information
Oh,
and then we can send it to you? Would that work?
yeah, if we get it.
Would that work best for
Yeah,
you?
I'm wondering how to include it into one thing to submit.
Are we supposed to, wouldn't the histograms be for the next part?
Not if that says that's what descriptive is.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
And
This is the part where we.
yeah, I think descriptive is showing like, hey, this is our information. These
Yeah.
are the, like, this is the mean, this is the standard deviation, the minimum, the max, the median, things like that, I guess. Here, I'll send this.
Yeah. Okay, so just to make sure, Wendy, you're variable 1.
Yeah.
And I'm variable 2 and Laren variable 3. Is that how we have it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I have my histogram and the numerical descriptive statistics ready.
Uh-huh.
Can one of you guys walk me through how to copy and cut and paste and?
So
I have mine ready too, but I don't know how to do it either.
okay, so if you go to like your start, are you guys all working on PCs?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So if you go on to like your start menu, that little like flag looking,
Mm-hmm.
like there's a text box, so type in snipping tool.
Okay.
And so then a snipping tool will like come up. So you'll want to like snip anything that you want to show. Does that make sense? So
don't need our percentiles, do you? Just the numerical descriptive.
that's what I just did. So I just went like literally from the top A1 all the way and pulled it over to it had the data in the blue and the histogram, and then it had those numerical descriptive statistics too.
Okay, so how do you do the snipping tool?
So go to your start menu at the bottom,
Uh-huh.
and then you should have like this little box where you can type whatever you want.
Yep.
Say snipping tool.
Okay.
And then,
And then you're gonna click on it.
uh-huh. And then it comes up with like a red hash mark or whatever. Your cursor is now like a red hash mark. I mean red.
Okay, new. Okay.
And
Let's
then
see.
you click and then you drag it and it'll come up as it'll like come up as like a picture, I guess you could say.
Okay. Okay, I got that far.
Right. And then you'll just like save it to like your desktop or one of your files. And then when you want to send it in an email, you just do an attachment like you normally do. You just say attachment and then you choose the file that you want. Does that make sense?
But then when we send it to the Gmail accounts, then we just pull that as the attachment.
You could, or we could all just send this to Cheryl. That way she can just open one email, like our
Okay.
emails from us, and then she can do whatever she wants to do.
Okay.
You want me to send this to your Gmail, Cheryl, or your?
Yes. Yes, the Gmail. Well, yes. The one we're using for Google Hangouts, yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I just sent mine. Let me know if you get it and you can see it.
Yeah, I just sent mine too. So.
I'm still fighting this snipping tool.
I don't know if you have the same thing as mine. I had to put, after I did the snipping tool, I had to put new,
Uh-huh. I got that. And then it says to click and drag over the area you want.
I just went up to
That's where I'm having.
up to the corner
Yeah.
where A and then just pull it.
Okay. Okay. Click new.
So I guess, Wendy, for you and I, we don't even need that second part of our collect the data, right?
No,
I don't
you don't.
think so.
I was looking in the on the discussion board, and that question came up. So no, so you two only need to turn in collect the data, and then just leave the describe, or yeah, collect the data, but then leave the describing the data blank, or don't turn it in or whatever. And so it only one per group.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm getting a message from Microsoft Excel saying to do this, all merged cells need to be the same size. I'm trying to snip it.
Here, let me look up how to take a screenshot of your desktop.
That wouldn't make it long enough because I'd have to scroll down, right?
So we just did, you can zoom out. We didn't do like the percentile.
No, but see when I'm up at, so where I can see the A1, all of my numerical descriptive statistics are not on my screenshot.
Okay,
they are
on your Excel sheet at the bottom right hand side, you have like a percentage.
Okay.
Out, so just zoom out until you can see all of your
Mine's like at 50 and I can see mine.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, so how to do a screenshot of your like monitor, whatever's on your monitor. You do Alt and then the print screen, which should be up like by your backspace on your keyboard.
Oh. Okay.
And that will like take a screenshot of whatever is on your screen at that moment. Does that make sense?
Okay, get your screenshots.
And then
it wants me to save it to OneDrive. Can I do that?
Save it, and then you can.
Okay. Okay, I think okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So I could add that.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just couldn't do the snipping.
Yeah, sometimes, and every computer is different.
I think it's user error.
Okay. Anything else that we need to do?
I think that's it till Tuesday. I'll look and see exactly what I'm supposed to be doing over the weekend for the next part.
Okay, so do you want me to take or to fill out the rest of the descriptive? Okay, let's see.
What else? Do you need anything else from us?
Just to be able to review it before I turn it in?
Okay, yeah. Let's get it to us, and then
just so
what time?
So you have a chance. I'm going to start working on this right now, and so I'll have it up.
Will you just text me when you send it to us?
Yeah, sure.
That would be a good one. Just send a text and let us look at it.
Okay. Okay.
Thanks so much.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
All right. Bye.
Bye.